Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about what are the important AI templates available to generate a better content for your research paper in a single AI tool. So there are different templates are available in this AI tool where you can generate all the contents for your research paper writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on power converters, modeling, design and applications. So in this workshop, we are going to model LNC parameters of buck and boost converter, and then we are going to make open loop and closed loop simulation with that buck and boost converter, and then we are going to incorporate it with PV and wind energy as its input sources. After that, we are going to connect it with an EV charging station. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize how to design you with different types of converters with their design values and parameters. So thereby you can get an idea how a converter will be very efficient in energy conversion process, so especially when it is connected to renewable energies. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct online research paper workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of it using different AI tools. So these are the different things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that LMS Research Support. Go to LMS Research Support. So in LMS Research Support, you will be having different AI templates which will be useful for your research paper writing. So I am going to tell which are the templates will be useful for which part of your research paper writing. So here you can see that. So these are the different LMS AI templates available. So in this you can see, in this ultimate you will be having all these templates. So here you can see that summarizer, translator, grammar corrector, reference style converter, literature review, reference to content, explain the table, paraphrasing, generate MATLAB code, blog article, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF, chatbot, plagiarism reducer. So these are the different options available. So here you can get these converters for free. So sorry, these AI templates for free. So here you can see these are the different free AI templates: summarizer, translator, grammar corrector and reference style converter. So these are the free AI templates. So next you can see that these are the different pricing and plans. We will see that pricing and plans at the end of the video. So here you can see, in order to get a common content, you can use the option called chatbot. So just to click on that chatbot. So in this chatbot you can ask, you can write anything like abstract, conclusion, or you can generate a common content using this chatbot. For example, I am going to generate a content, generate an abstract for the research paper titled Machine Learning Algorithm for Power Management in Microgrid. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So according to the input prompt, this chatbot will generate answer. So you can use this chatbot to generate better answer for your research paper. So here you can see that the research paper explores the applications of machine learning of power management in microgrid system. The study aims to investigate the effectiveness of the various machine learning techniques in optimizing the operation of microgrid. So like that it will generate answers. So you can copy the content and use it as a abstract for your research paper, or else if you want an introduction, so you can give the same prompt like that. So generate an introduction, so like that you can give prompt. So instead of abstract, so you can give introduction. So you copy the content. So refresh that particular chatbot page again. So after that, so after it is refreshed, so you can copy and paste the prompt. So give an input prompt. So here we are asked for introduction, so you can click on ask questions. So here it will take several seconds to generate the content. So it will generate a detailed introduction of the particular topic. So here you can see that, so in recent years, increasing demand for efficient, sustainable energy solution has led to the emergence of microgrids as a promising alternative to traditional centralized power systems. Microgrids, which are small-scale localized power grids that can operate independently in conjunction with main grid, offer numerous benefits including increased reliability, resilience and flexibility. So like that, it will generate a detailed introduction for that particular particular prompt you have given. So like that, you can make use of this chatbot to generate a common content for your research paper writing. So as far as next part is that, so you have write an abstract and introduction. So after that, you moving on to literature review. So you will be having 5 different literature review templates. So these are the 5 different literature review templates. So here you can see literature review, detailed literature review, reference to content, and then you can see chat with PDF and chat with paper. So in order to make an instant literature review, so just click on that template. So here you can see it's an instant literature review. So for that, you have to copy and paste 5 references. So I am going to take random references, so from an open access paper. So you can take any reference here. So here I am going to take reference from this paper. So go on and take that is references. So you can give 5 references, that will give efficient answer. So copy that. So go to that literature review template. So paste the references here and just click literature review. So it will generate the literature review content. So in order to make an instant literature review, so you can use this template to generate the instant literature review. So after that, reference to content is also is useful to make instant literature review. So you can do that also. So here you can see that our literature review is generated. So here you can see, so for every references, the main findings of that particular references, and then you can get the limitations associated with that particular references. So like that, you can make an instant literature review using these templates. So after that, what you can do is, so in order to make a detailed literature review, so just click on detailed literature review. So it will lead to a dashboard like, so this is the dashboard of this detailed literature review. So in this detailed literature review, so you have to add these particulars, that is title of the paper, abstract of the paper, introduction part of the paper, conclusion of the paper. So in order to show you a demo, I am going to do that with this particular paper. So first one is, so you can give conclusions. So copy this and you can give the conclusion of the paper here. So after that, introduction part of the paper, so you can go to the introduction part. So this is the introduction part of the paper. So here copy the introduction. So and you can give the introduction here. So after that, you will be having abstract. So copy that, paste the abstract here, and then go to that particular page and copy the title and paste the title here. Give on literature review. So it will take several seconds to generate the literature review. So here you can see all the particulars related with the paper will be given. So after that, a fantastic literature review will be generated, a detailed literature review generated. So especially those who are doing review paper, so you can use this option to generate literature review. So here you can see summary of the paper, main finding of the paper, limitations of the paper. So like that, you can make literature review using these templates. So after that, you may simulate your work. After that, you will be having some results. So in this results you will be having table. So in order to get the explanation of the table, so you can use this one. So just to copy and paste the table and click explain. So a brief explanation of the table will be generated here. So you can make use of this option to convert your tables into text. That is the important template for this. So next one is that you can see that paraphrasing template. So after that your paper may subjected to plagiarism. So in order to get rid of the plagiarism, so you will be having two options, paraphrasing and plagiarism reducer. These two templates will be very efficient for you to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So you can use this templates to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. That will be very useful for you. So after that so you can use this template called generate MATLAB code. So in order to generate a MATLAB code without any error, so you can use this particular template to generate a MATLAB code. So thereby so it will generate a perfect MATLAB code for you. So you can make use of this MATLAB code for your research paper writing also. So these are the different templates available in this particular LMS research support AI tool. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple and easy. So go on and explore these templates.